If you are new to Copics or alcohol markers, the Copic tips, tricks, and techniques class is for you. In this class, we're going to be covering the basics of Copic markers, a little bit of information around them, different stamping inks that is appropriate to use. We're also going to be covering different blending techniques, as well as do's and don'ts with using them. We're going to talk about why the blender solution doesn't actually blend, but it's amazing for using for other techniques. We'll be covering how to color on glitter, how to shade with 3 different colors within the same family, different skin tone options, as well as coloring hair and different hair color options. I love using my Copics for different mediums as well. I love creating patterns and textures with them, and I'll show you some of my favorites with those. We'll also talk about liquid mediums, what you can put on top of there, and why it is great with Copics. This is the perfect class for beginners to take the intimidation out of coloring with alcohol-based markers, Copics in particular. Once we've gone through a lot of the different tips, tricks, and techniques to use as a beginner, we're going to take some of those and we're going to apply them and make a hydrangea card and actually practice some of the techniques that you've learned. So let's go get started.